Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on how to flash a Powercube with the most up-to-date version of Betaflight. We're going to be using Betaflight 4.0 today. So first, you're going to hold the boot button, which is located next to the USB port, and plug in the USB. If you look onto Betaflight, you're going to have it in DFU mode. That means you're ready to flash. You're going to select your target, which is going to be the Calibri race, and then you're going to choose your Betaflight release. So we're going to use Betaflight 4.0 today. And you can actually change to the release and release candidate for each one if you wanted to, and go to like the newest versions, like release candidate 6 or whatever. I'm going to just use regular Betaflight 4.0. So we go to that one, and you're going to load the firmware online. It's going to load, and then you're going to hit Flash Firmware, and it's going to erase the current version of Betaflight that you have on your board, or whatever firmware you have on your board, and flash it over. So you gotta wait for it to flash. And verify, and that's all you need to do to flash the newest version of Betaflight. You should disconnect your USB at this point and then reconnect it. Plug it in. And at this point you can go to the Welcome tab and connect to Betaflight. There you go.